Bienvenidos a la clase de hoy. So, welcome to the class of today. So, first of all, how we can tell the Spanish in Spanish in a Spanish language. Okay, so that is Espanol. In Spanish is English word. Okay, Espanol is the Spanish word. Then
What
how
it
to
is
say the
called as Spaniel.
Espanol? Sí,
Okay.
exacto. And the country we call it in Spanish is España. Yeah, bien.
Oh, okay.
Sí. So this is how we call the Spanish and Spain in Spanish. Okay.
Okay.
And then, first of all, we should know the saludos. Saludos is nothing but greetings. Okay.
I have to
Greetings.
write this also in my notebook.
Yeah, yeah, sure. If you want, you can. Otherwise, I can share this to you.
Please share with it.
Yeah, sure. I'll do that.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh, yeah. Bien. Here. Saludos. Saludos. Saludos is nothing but it means greetings. So, greetings is a basic greetings. Whenever we see a what to say that related person, or we can see any strangers on that time also, we can greet each other, right? So, first we use hola. I hope you know that. Hola.
It is pronounced as Ola.
Yeah.
Okay.
H is silent. Hola.
Okay.
And next one is ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal is nothing but WhatsApp. So it's a quite informal term. Okay. So WhatsApp. And next one is ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? So here ¿Cómo estás is nothing but how are you? But in a irrespective form. You can also say in Hindi, you are saying tu, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that form. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to say aap, aap is nothing but that is a quite respectful form. That is
Mm-hmm.
esta. In
¿Cómo
Spanish,
estás?
it will be mentioned as como esta.
Estás. Estás o está.
Estas is for irrespect form. That is not friendly form, you can say. For your
Okay.
friends and relatives or the same age person, you can
Okay.
relate, you can ask como estas to that person. Okay.
Okay.
If the person is elder than you have to
Mm-hmm.
ask in a respectful form. That is como está.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So next, that is basic greeting. Of course, we do all the time. Good morning, good evening, good night. So here, buenos dias, good morning, buenos dias, buenas tardes, buenas tardes. That is good evening or good afternoon. You can use for both.
Okay.
Good afternoon. Here,
Okay.
buenas noches. Buenas noches. Buenas noches is good night.
Okay.
Okay, got it? So, for this only, for dias only, you have to use buenos. For
Buenos
tardes
días.
and noches, you have to use buenas. There is a article term as using here. That thing we will know after some time. Okay. As
Okay.
of now, you just know about it. That is buenos dias, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Bien?
Okay.
See. So now we have to know. Okay, we already know how to ask how are you in Spanish. That is ¿qué tal? That is in a friendly, or you can say quite informal, and como
Oh,
estás is quite formal, but still that is informal for the elder than you, the person which are elder than you, right? So
mm-hmm.
that the both meaning are how are you only. How to answer that question in Spanish is estoy bien, estoy bien, I'm well, estoy bien, muy bien, muy bien. So muy bien is nothing but that is very well, very well. Okay.
Okay.
Then that is genial, genial. So you have to say hey. So in English, you can um, read it like this only. Hey, right? That same
Mm-hmm.
sound should be come here. Genial.
What does genial mean?
Genial is brilliant. That's super good. We can say.
Okay.
Yeah. And last one is gracias. Of course, thanks.
Thanks.
Okay. Done. Here in negative form. You can answer it in a negative form also. That is bueno, bueno. So bueno is nothing but good or okay. Okay. Actual meaning of bueno is good only. Okay.
Okay.
But when someone is asking you the question like, how are you? If you are saying like, bueno, they can easily consider, yeah, that you are not okay, that you are not good. So according to the context, the meaning will be changing. Okay. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Next one is más o menos. Más o menos. That means more or less. Then mal. Mal. That is bad. Muy mal. Muy mal. Muy mal is very bad. Last one, fatal. Fatal. Fatal is worst. Okay. So once you answer the question in a positive or negative form, obviously you will ask the other person, right? Who asked you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that should be E to and you. E means and. Okay.
E,
Should be E.
e means and.
Yeah. And two means you in a irrespect form. And usted. Usted means it's you can say up in English. In Hindi, you can say up. That is a respect form.
Okay.
Okay.
Will
So
I
now
receive
I
books also?
yeah. So yeah, tell me.
I receive books also.
Sorry, I'm not getting
I'm saying that they will provide me books also, the institute.
book also.
Yes.
So from there is no need to use a book right now.
So I'll have to write it somewhere. You'll send me.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
I'll send it. If you want, you can take the screenshot as well.
okay.
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 So, 1 second. You can take the screenshot for this one first. Then you can. I'll
Yeah.
move the next one. Yeah, this one. You can take.
Done.
Done. Okay.
Yes.
So now I'm asking you, ¿Cómo está? What's your answer? ¿Cómo está?
So my son is how are you?
Yes.
Esto bien.
Okay. So now you can ask me.
Mm, E2.
E, E
It's
two.
E2.
Yeah, E. Okay,
Okay.
simply.
Yeah.
E two.
E2.
E two. That is, yeah, estoy muy bien. Yeah, gracias.
Mm, okay.
Now,
Gracias means thanks and thank you.
thanks. Yeah. And you can also say muchas gracias.
What does it
Thank you
mean?
so much. Muchas gracias. Thank you so
Just
much.
okay.
Then, despedidas. That is a goodbye or farewell. Okay. So while we are sending off the person, we can say some byes and all, right. That can be goodbye, bye, see you later, see you tomorrow, whatever. Right. So how can we say in Spanish? Here, hasta luego. Hasta luego means see you later. Hasta luego.
Later.
Adiós, chao. So both are same meaning. Adiós, chao, goodbye. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana.
Can you repeat that see you later in Spanish?
Which one?
See you later.
CIAO. That one, that word.
Yes, yes. How will pronunciate that?
Ciao.
See
Ciao.
you.
Yeah. You may hear the song like Ciao Bella in Money
Hmm.
Eyes.
And
They
how will
sing
pronunciate that see you later in Spanish?
as a letter, I can let you know. The next topic will be the letter only. Okay?
No,
We
but
will
the first
see
one you
that.
told me, na, that see you later. How is pronunciate that?
Okay, okay. That one. Okay. Hasta luego. Hasta luego.
No. Oh,
Okay?
okay.
Then, hasta mañana. Hasta mañana.
Mm.
Hasta mañana means see you tomorrow. Mañana is tomorrow. So here, see you tomorrow. Then, hasta pronto. Hasta
From
pronto. Pro, pronto. It should be to.
pronto.
Sí, exacto. Hasta pronto. That means see you soon. Pronto is soon. Okay. Now, you just try to read it from here to here. Only in Spanish words, not in. I don't want the translation.
Hasta luego.
Hmm?
Ciao.
Yeah.
Hasta mañana.
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 Yeah. Mañana.
Hasta pronto.
Sí. So, hasta luego. Adiós. Chao. Hasta mañana. Hasta pronto.
Hasta luego. Ciao. Hasta mañana. Hasta pronto.
Sí, exacto. Bien. Now, el abecedario o alfabeto. That is the alphabets. So, alphabets in Spanish. Okay. So, how to pronounce the each and every letter in Spanish? That is what we are going to see now. So, first one is A. A,
Mm.
A, B, B, C, C, D, De, A, sorry, let's say A, F, A, F, A,
How will you pronounce it? F A.
F, A, F, A.
Okay.
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 And here, then, so A, B, C, D, A, F, A. This
A.
one is K, G, H, 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 E, E, होता, होता, का,
How? What you told about I?
I is E.
E. Okay.
Okay. I'm writing below the letter.
Yeah, I'm seeing.
Okay, that is E. Ka, L-A, L-A. You can pronounce it like L-A, M-A, M-A, and then N-A. And it should be N-A, N-A,
N N A.
A. Yeah,
A.
N-A.
Okay.
And this one is O, as it should. Pay, and this one is Ku, R-A, R-A. It should be rolling sound, okay? R-A.
And wait.
Yeah. S-A, S-A, Te, Te, U. It's not Te actually. It should be Te, Te. Can I say? Yeah, I can, Te, yeah, Te. Okay.
Okay.
And here, U, U. This is Uve, Uve. And this one is Uve doble, Uve doble. And here, Ikis, Ikis. Okay. And here, Y is Y, Y, Y. This one is Seta, Seta. Okay.
Okay.
So again, I'm reading the all letters in Spanish. A, B, C, D, E, F, E, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, V doble, X, Y, Z. Okay. So now
What is the difference between V and W?
V and W. The pronunciation only the difference.
O with doublets.
Yeah. Uve,
Okay.
this is Uve doble.
Okay.
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 And here my name is Sharmi. Okay. So here I'm just spelling the letter of my names only. Yeah, I'm not going to pronounce my whole name in Spanish. So here I'm just spelling the letter of my name in Spanish. So I'm just calling out the alphabets in Spanish. That is C,
Yes.
H, A, M, A, E. Okay, this is how I spell my name in Spanish. Okay, now your turn. How you spell your name in Spanish? Can you try?
Yes. Yes. R
Hmm?
E Y A
Hmm? E, Y, A.
A
R, E, Y, A. Okay,
E
this is how we have to spell the Spanish alphabets, and means we have to call the Spanish letters. Okay, I'll if you want, I can send you the video as well. So you
yes.
just try to pronounce
Please send it to me.
again and again. Okay, so
Okay.
that it help you to memorize it. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
now next one is numbers. So now we are going to see the numbers from 1 to 10 only. Okay,
So
1 to 10 only. Los números, that is the numbers del uno al 100. So here the numbers from 1 to 100. But we are going to see only 1 to 10. Okay,
okay.
first 0. 0 is should be called as cero.
So
Cero. Okay. So 1 is uno.
okay.
Uno. And 2 is dos. 3 is tres. And 4 is cuatro. Cuatro. Okay. And 5 is cinco. Cinco. 6 is seis. Seis. Okay. 7 is siete. Siete. Sie- yeah. Siete. Okay. And 8 is ocho. Ocho. And 9 is nueve. 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 Okay. And 10 is diez. Diez. Okay. So this is how we have to call the numbers in Spanish. As of now, we just calling out the numbers from 0 to 10 only in Spanish. Okay. I'm just writing you the random number in here.
Mm-hmm.
Can you please try to call these numbers in Spanish? Can you
Yes.
try? Yeah.
8, ocho,
Hmm.
siete,
Siete.
siete, seis,
Hmm.
cinco,
Hmm.
cuatro,
Hmm.
nueve, what is that? Nine,
Nueve. Nueve.
nueve,
Hmm.
mm, cero, cero,
Cero.
dos,
Hmm.
uno,
Hmm.
tres.
Yeah. Bien. Okay. So, you learn the numbers now from 0 to 10. So, I'll also attach the video of from 0 to 10. Okay, you can learn it again. Uh, that means you can recall it again. Okay, and try to memorize it. So as of now, we know how to do a basic greeting in Spanish, and
Yes.
how to say goodbye,
Mm-hmm.
uh, name, a name, how to spell the alphabets and numbers
Number.
from 0 to 10. Yeah. So here is a conversation that is a basic conversation. Okay.
Yes.
You just try to read out this, and if you are able to understand, then we can practice each other. Okay. We can choose any one of the role from this, and we can practice. Yeah.
Yes. Should I speak?
Yeah. Which role you are taking?
I'll speak of blue.
You.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
Bien, gracias. ¿Cómo te llamas?
¿Cómo te
Llamas.
llamas? Yeah.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Uh, Me llamo Sharmi.
Mucho gusto.
Igualmente. Okay. Igualmente means that is equally, or you can say likewise. If you're saying nice to meet you, I want to also say the same. Okay. And here, I too, that means igualmente. Bien.
Okay.
So here, bien is well or fine. Gracias is thank you. And ¿cómo estás? That is what's your name. Okay. In ¿Cómo te llamas? Is that is what's your name? And here exactly it cannot be translated as English.
Okay.
¿Cómo is how, and te llamas is actually means as how.
Te amas.
Mm.
It's
Yeah, you call yourself. This is the exact translation of Spanish. Okay. Okay. So further we So, yeah, tomorrow we will see the pronunciation class. After that, I'll tell you the basic questions and answers like what's your name, what's your age, and yeah, where are you from? All these questions, how to ask in Spanish, and what are the questions, and how to question it, and how to answer it. Yeah, these all
okay.
things we will learn from tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, please send me
So,
the video also.
yeah, yeah, sure. I'll do send. And do you want me to send this as well, this PDF as well, or are you taking the screenshot
I have taken the screenshot.
for this? Okay. Yeah, great.
Okay.
Okay.